What's up, guys? I know it's been a while since I last spoke to you all. If you'll notice, I have my Falcons jersey on. Julio Jones representing best wide receiver in the league. And the reason I have this on is because I want to announce our very exciting Q4 SPIFF heading into the final push of the year. I know you guys are all busy. We have a very exciting announcement to make, and that is we are going to send you and one special guest to the Super Bowl this year here in Atlanta, Georgia. The way you qualify, it's not a drawing. You can automatically qualify if you do a maintenance deal worth $350,000 or more. And I know that may sound like a lot, but with a lot of these storage renewals, it's really pretty obtainable. So don't be as discouraged by the dollar amount, but it's certainly a great opportunity for you guys to certainly check something off your bucket list. The Super Bowl is going to be insanely crazy this year, I believe. Hopefully the Falcons make it back. For you Patriots fans out there, I don't want to catch any grief. I know we blew a 3-touchdown lead in the halftime 2 years ago, but I'm fully confident this year. So Q4 SPIFF, be on the lookout for it. I'm going to send a lot of you emails. If you have questions, feel free to direct message me. I'm happy to answer any questions. This includes 2 Super Bowl tickets. No, these will not be nosebleed seats. These will be great seats on the lower levels, hopefully, or mid-levels, but definitely not nosebleed seats. You get 2 tickets to the Super Bowl, 2 nights of accommodations at a luxury hotel here in Atlanta. We have not decided on the hotel yet, but it will be a 4 to 5 star hotel. Additionally, this will cover your round trip airfare as well. So it's a great weekend, a great opportunity for you. So I encourage you to look out for these maintenance opportunities. 1, you're going to make money, and 2, you can check this off your bucket list. So if you have questions, reach out, and we're happy to help. Good luck, guys.